Hey y'all, I am back with another video. I know it's been a long time. I've been kind of busy. Yes, I know my hair looks a mess. That's why I'm here. So I'm tired of my hair. Like usually I do like weaves and even wigs and whatever I feel like is cute. But I'm going to cut off all my hair, all of it. Like I'm about to cut it all. I mean, it ain't that much, but I'm cutting it off low. Like I'm probably gonna cut all of the color off because I did color it this color. I have all type of product in my hair, but anyway, yeah, I'm gonna cut it off till the natural brown that I am, and then from there I'm gonna go to the barber and he's going to hook me up. I don't know exactly what I want yet, but I'm cutting it at home. I'm gonna color it at home, the color I want, and then I'm gonna go to the barber shop. But yeah, I'm so scared, y'all. Like, I'm so scared because even though like I always have on a wig or I always have a weave or whatever, it's still my hair. Like, it's still my hair. But you know what? It's not even that healthy no more how it used to be. Like, I had got on birth control and that had like broke my hair off really bad, and then well it fell out and I broke off, it was falling out, and then it grew back some, but not like as much as it was. Like it was a lot longer than this and a lot thicker than this, and yeah, so it never really came back. That was like 2 years ago, and so it's been ever since then. It's been like just kind of like not the same. Like it didn't grow back the same the way it was. So I know the birth control had a lot to do with it. It was one of the side effects. I just happened to be sensitive to the side effects of a lot of different things. So anyway, I just want to try something new. I mean, it is just hair, so I'm not really tripping. If it grows back, that's fine. If it doesn't, I'll slap a wig or weave on it and call it a day. But anyway, yep, that's why I'm out here looking crazy with my hair everywhere. It is New Year's Eve. No, I'm not going anywhere because I don't know, I just don't feel like it. I went out for 2 days in a row, like a few days ago, my best friend, and we just like went way too hard. So I'm just gonna relax at home, maybe have me a little bit of wine, a little something, something. I don't know if you can hear that in the background. That's all the fireworks and stuff that's going on. I do live in Vegas, so you can imagine how that is. But yeah, so I'm about to get off of here for a second. I'm gonna cut my hair off. I'm gonna come show you guys. Don't mind this one hand is done. I did one hand. I didn't want to finish the other one. I just didn't feel like it. So I'm gonna cut my hair off and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna show you what it looks like before I go to the barber, and then I'll maybe do another video about after when I go to the barber, or maybe before that. We'll see. But anyways, I'm just gonna tell everybody Happy New Year, and I'll be right back. I'm back, and I'm bald. Well, I got a little bit of hair, a little something on top. But anyway, I cut my hair off, y'all. I finally did it. I've wanted to cut it for a long time, and I finally just went ahead and cut it off. And I love it. I've gotten a lot of mixed reviews on it from other people, like my family, my friends and stuff like that. But most, like 90% of people like it. I love it, so I don't even give a fuck anyway. But yeah, it's been like some, a few different people who say little stuff like I cut my hair off on New Year's Eve, so it's been about 4 days since then. And so since then, well, I went to go to the barbershop, which my hair already kind of looks like it's like starting to grow, which is fine. Like I'll just go back. But some of the things that like people have been saying and asking me, like, what made you cut all your hair off? are you going through something? What does your husband think? Like, stuff like that. I'm just like, okay, well, first of all, why do people have to be going through something to try something new with their look? Like, if I curl my hair, does that mean I'm going through something? Or it's just if you cut your hair off? Like, I've been wanting to cut my hair for a long time. I just didn't bring it up because I don't want to tell anybody, like, oh yeah, I'm gonna cut my hair, and I knew I wasn't ready. Like, at that time, I felt like I really wasn't ready before to cut it. And so I just didn't bring it up. Like, my husband knew, like, my mom has heard me say it a lot, like, that I wanted to cut it. But nobody, I don't think, really expected me to do it because I was scared to cut my hair off. But I did it, and I like it. I just wish people would stop asking me that, like, oh, are you going through something? Even the guy, like, one of the guys at the barbershop that I went to, he was like, oh, like, you know, I like the color or whatever. And he's like, what made you want to cut it? And I was like, I just want to try something different. And he was like, you must have been going through something. I'm like, I gotta go through some shit to change my look. When you do your hair, do you have to be going through some shit? Like, that's just kind of weird to me. Like, I'm not going through anything. Like, I'm happy. I just want to try something different. I've done every color in my hair. I've done wigs, weaves, everything. The only thing I have not done with my hair is cut it off. So now it's gone. But yeah. And then, like, the question, like, is my husband gonna be okay with it? I'm like, okay, well, I didn't ask for permission to cut my hair off, but I did test him a little bit, and I was like, I don't know, my nose is itching, like right here by my nose ring a little bit. But yeah, they're like, yeah, what's your husband gonna think? Like, is he okay with it? What? I'm like, okay, well, before I did it, I tested him a little bit. I asked him like, oh, I want to cut my hair off, which he already knew. I was like, I'm gonna really cut it this time. What are you gonna care? Like, you know, what if you don't like it? And he was like, I mean, it's hair. It's your hair. I'm never gonna tell you you cannot do what you want to do with your hair. I was like, good answer. Good answer. You've been listening. You know me. So he didn't see it for like 2 days later because he was at work. So when he did come back from work, he seen it and he said he liked it. So I was happy, but you know, regardless, like, I just feel like if I'm happy with it, then that's just what it is. Like, I don't need to ask permission. I don't need to be like, oh, I can't be happy with it unless, you know, oh, so-and-so needs to be happy. No, I'm happy with it, so I'm happy. I'm not growing it back right now. I like it like this. Right now, it's low maintenance. I don't have to go, like, back and forth to the barbershop, but for me, it's low maintenance. Like, dealing with my real hair, or even, like, when I put a wig on or a weave, like, to me, that's higher maintenance, but to each his own. But so far, I'm liking it. My head gets cold though. Like, when I go outside, my head is like freezing. I'm like, okay. Before, I never even really thought I really was cold. Like, I didn't need no little beanie on my head. Now I feel like I need a beanie. I'm like, okay. So there's some things I didn't think about before I cut it off, but I still don't regret it. I still have the hair that I cut off when I cut my ponytail off. I'm gonna show you guys, but yeah, I'm liking it. Sorry, y'all, I'm just feeling myself and I'm sleepy, so I'm probably just like rambling right now. But I just want to know, what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? I'm gonna try a different design next time. Like, I know it was my first haircut, so like, you know, he did what he could, but yeah, I'm gonna try something different next time when it grows in a little more, and probably cut the top like a little bit shorter, just a little bit. Like, I feel like it was kind of long, like longer than what I wanted, but I still like it. Let me see if I can show you guys. Oh, you know, like, older people, I just want to bring that up. Like, my grandma, she didn't really like it. She didn't say like, oh, I don't like your hair, but she was like, you cut all your hair off, huh? And I was just like, yeah. And she was like, why'd you cut your hair off in the winter? It's cold. That's what you do in the summertime. I was like, Grandma, it's hair, okay, lady. Like, it don't matter what season it is, but I mean, I could tell she doesn't like it, but it's just gonna have to grow on her. She'll be fine. She's just gonna love it in a couple weeks or something. Maybe if I change the color, I don't know. Been getting a lot of stares from people. Just like in certain areas that I go, like where I live, a lot of little stares. But other than that, people are liking it. I'm loving it. Just want to know what you guys think. I mean, I ain't gonna grow my hair back no time soon, but I'm just saying. I want to know what you guys think though. Let me show you guys the hair that I cut off. Hold on. This is the hair that I cut off. There's like all type of stuff in it because it's been on the counter, and I just wanted to show you guys. But yep, I cut it off. This used to be my pony. I almost miss it, but I don't. Glue that thing back on. Like, but you know what? Like, I really don't miss it. I don't, and I feel like, I don't know. I don't feel sad about it. I just kept it just to like show you guys, like, this is my real hair. I cut it off like this, you know, nothing was made up or nothing like that. But other than that, I honestly don't even know what to do with it because, like, my mom is superstitious and she didn't told me not to throw the hair away because I don't know. Something she said about throwing the hair away. Somebody gonna, I don't know. But I just scared to throw it away because I don't know what's gonna happen. So I don't know, it's part of the bathroom now or something. I don't really know. I don't know. But yeah, like, I promise you guys, like, I'm gonna really start posting more videos and stuff. I think I'm gonna take a leave of absence from school because I need just a little break. Like, it is gonna push my graduation back. But honestly though, like, for my mental, I feel like I don't even care. Like, as long as I get done, then I don't care. Like, I'm just gonna probably have to push it back. Like, I just don't feel like trying to be stressed and juggle everything with school. Like, school stressed me out last semester, like all the way out. So now I'm just like, you know what? Maybe I'll take a semester off. I can like focus on things that I really want to focus on and start getting more like de-stress myself, you know? Because it's all about self-care at the end of the day, you know? So I think I'm going to take some time off. So that means I'm going to have more time to do videos and stuff like that. So stay tuned for my next video. Maybe my hair color will change by then because I kind of want to do it a little darker or maybe a different color. I don't know, something. But yeah, y'all, I cut my hair off. But yeah, until next time, you guys.